Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online presence with LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. Create a professional LinkedIn profile. Begin with a clear and professional profile picture. Choose a background photo that reflects your industry or personal brand. Write a compelling headline that highlights your expertise. Fill out the summary section with a concise overview of your career and skills. List your work experience in reverse chronological order. Include specific achievements and use quantifiable metrics where possible. Add your educational background, including any relevant certifications. Customize your LinkedIn URL for easy sharing. Set your privacy settings to control who can view your profile. Regularly review and update your profile to keep information current. Engage with industry-related content by sharing articles and insights. Connect with professionals in your field and maintain a meaningful network. Join relevant groups to expand your reach and showcase your expertise. Request endorsements and recommendations from colleagues and clients. Be transparent and authentic in your online interactions. Monitor your activity regularly to ensure alignment with your professional brand. Report any suspicious or inappropriate messages you receive. Lastly, stay informed about LinkedIn's privacy policy and security settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.